Good morning. So let me start with my project. My project is a marketing and social media content generation. So basically, I am going to use tools like OpenAI and Django for front end. So let me to start with my code. So basically, my project is aims to develop an adaptive social media content generation tool that uses the LLMs or the large machine learning models, as we know, to create the platform specific content for digital marketing. The tool will be using prompt tuning, RAG, as known as Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and also some fine tuning techniques to enhance the user experience. As we all know, the digital marketers, content creators, and small business owners find difficult to sustain in this media world. So they need someone who is efficient and tailor content for their blogs, advertisement, and social media. So let me start with the code. As we can see here, first I have created a database here. Yeah, I've loaded API key. The Chroma is from the Chroma tab. I have using the parallel split texting for enable it to for the faster running and together it running for the sim. I've created a Chroma database. I've loaded it and generated it. I'll show you the data part. The data is loading from here, as we can see. We it is divided into different chunks, as slices, the length function, start function. Then for the query part, the query is I have generated a query here, as we can see here. The context text, this is helps in fine tuning and stuff. Let me tell you the view, and before view, let me show you the chroma details part. Yeah, this is the part where the RAG is generated, as we can see. Yeah. So now let me tell you the RAG part. As we can see, we have performed the similarity search. We have performed the responses and everything. We have uses the model using OpenAI as this. So now let me tell you how to run the project. The project is already running, as we can see here. I don't want to waste your time. So let's start writing. Let's start by asking this a question. Yeah. So hmm, write a, uh Instagram caption for Northeastern University dining page for the Christmas dinner. So this have came with a notation. So now we'll try the same thing for the products. Yeah. How will NVIDIA market its new product launch? So it has come with a effective solution how NVIDIA can market its new product launch despite if it's a loss in the share value. So first, NVIDIA have to focus on the product, then leverage the social media, partner with influencers as influencers are the new uh, meta, offer promotion and discounts, and engage with customers so it can use to boost up its shares. Now let's try it in a different response. I want to open a local burger joint. What should be my branding strategy? So it has tell us how what should be my branding strategy, be unique selling proposition, developing a strong visual identity. You have to create a logo, we have to attract the customers, establish a tone of voice, build a strong online presence. Even though it is a local joint, you have to build a strong presence and engage with the community, local community, as it will gain us to attract the consumers as well, and collect consumer feedback, because the feedback is very necessary. So as we can see, I will show you what I have done for the front end part in the code again. As we can see, this all thing is running effectively. Yeah, this is the my view. This is the prompt where I have the fine tuning, and for the rack part. And for the vector database, I am using ChromaDB as my vector database, as we can see here. And this is the my front end part. Now let me show you my architecture diagram. So basically, this is my architecture diagram. So basically, what happens? I have created a data backend. This is my backend part. The backend goes to a vector database. It goes to a ChromaDB, and it retrieves the use the RAG and the content storage systems, and goes to the integration layer. So once this thing is done, one context is generated, then you have to display the content uh, to the front end part, as we can see here. This is the front end part, and so this is my architecture diagram for the same. And now I will show you my GitHub. As we can see, this is the GitHub. I've added everything. I've added license part. I've added, this is the example conversations, as we can see, consumer behavior and everything. And this is the README file for the project. What's the target impact is, how we are going to target it. This is all. This is my project, overall project. Thank you so much.